Hello children, today we will be doing chapter 6 Great Achievers, and the test skills are Masters of Medicine, Great Musician, Great Educationist, Great Poets, Great Leaders, Social Reformers. And the first question comes to you is, where was Rani Lakshmi Bai born? A. Gwalior, B. Jhansi, C. Varanasi, D. Kanpur. And the correct option is C. Varanasi. Number 2. He was born in Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. He started his career as a teacher and went to become a journalist. He co-founded two newspapers named Kesari and Maratha. Who was he? A. Raja Ram Mohan, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, and D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the correct option is D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Number 3. What is the name of the book written by Sushruta? A. Charaka Samhita, B. Sushruta Samhita, C. Panchatantra, and D. Nitisara. And the correct option is B. Sushruta Samhita. Sushruta wrote the famous book Sushruta Samhita, a Sanskrit text on major concepts of Ayurvedic medicines with chapters on surgery. Number 4. Whose name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi? A. There are pictures, children, and the correct option is C. Mahatma Gandhi. Number 5. Rabindranath Tagore got Nobel Prize for dash in the year dash. A. Medicine 1813, B. Social Work 1813, C. Literature 1913, D. Music 1931. And the correct option is C. Literature 1931. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in 1931 for his book Gitanjali. Tansen combined dash and dash styles of music and developed a style of his own. A. Arabic Indian, B. Turkish English, C. Persian Arabic, D. Indian Persian. And the correct option is D. Indian Persian. Number 7. She was a freedom fighter, poet, and the first Indian woman to become the president of Indian National Congress. She was also first woman to be a governor. Her first collection of poems was called as The Golden Threshold. Who was she? A. Mother Teresa, B. Rani Lakshmi Bai, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Indira Gandhi. And the correct option is C. Sarojini Naidu. Number 8. In which year did Gandhiji start the Quit India movement? A. 1842, B. 1947, C. 1942, D. 1842. And the correct option is C. 1942. Gandhiji started the Quit India movement and asked the British government to quit India. Number 9. My Music, My Life is an autobiography of dash. A. M.S. Subbulakshmi, B. Tansen, C. Pandit Ravishankar, D. Ravindranath Tagore. And the correct option is C. Pandit Ravishankar. Number 10. The Rani of Jhansi regiment was formed by dash. A. Rani Lakshmibai, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Gangadhar Rao, D. Lokmanya Tilak. It is B. Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose encouraged women to participate in the freedom struggle and formed the Rani of Jhansi regiment led by Captain Lakshmi Sanghal. Number 11. Select the incorrect match. Tansen, Navaratna of Akbar's court. B. Kalidas Kumara Sambhavam. C. Swami Haridas, Guru of Ravindranath. D. Sarojini Naidu, Bharat Kokila. And the correct option is C. Swami Haridas, Guru of Ravindranath. Swami Haridas was a saint, singer and also the Guru of Tansen. Number 12. What was the name of the society formed by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan? Scientific Society, Cultural Society, Social Society, Anglo Society. And the correct option is A. Number 13. Study the given relationship and select the correct option to fill in the blank. Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Father of plastic surgery, dash. Tansen, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Charakka, and D is Shushruta. And the correct option is D. It's Shushruta. Shushruta was a renowned physician and surgeon. He used to perform plastic surgery on the nose along with many other types of surgery. He is also known as the father of plastic surgery. Number 14. Sarojini Naidu accompanied dash to the second roundtable conference in London. A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Chandrasekhar Azad. And the correct option is C. Mahatma Gandhi. Number 15. The great poet Kalidas was one of the 9 gems, Navratnas, at the court of dash. A. Prithviraj Chauhan, B. Vikramaditya, C. Harishchandra, D. Akbar. And the correct option is B. Vikramaditya. Kalidas was one of the 9 gems at the court of King Vikramaditya. Number 16. Who was known as the father of Indian Renaissance? A. Manmohan Singh, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, D. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And the correct option is C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy is known as the father of Indian Renaissance as he brought about a change in Indian society. He was the greatest fighter for women's rights. Number 17. Raga dash was composed by Tansen. A. Malhar, B. Bhopali, C. Bhairavi, D. Both A and C. And the correct option is A. Malhar. Raga Malhar was composed by Tansen. It is said that Tansen sang Rag Malhar. It had the power to cause rain. Number 18. The Arya Samaj condemned A. Animal sacrifice, C. Caste system, D. Child marriage, C. Child marriage, D. All of these. And the correct option is D. All of these. Dayanand Saraswati founded Arya Samaj, which means Society of Nobles. It condemned idol worship, animal sacrifice, caste system, child marriage, etc. as they believed that none of these actions received sanction from the Vedas. Number 19. Select the incorrect statement about Rabindranath Tagore. A. He was the son of Rabindranath Tagore and Sharada Devi. Our national anthem Jana Gana Mana was composed by him. He was awarded knighthood by the English government, however he renounced it in the protest against the Jallianwala Bagh. And D. None of these. And the correct option is none of these. Number 20. When Rabindranath Tagore was 16 years old, he used to publish his poems under the pseudonym dash A. Gadia, B. Narendranath, C. Bhanu Simha, D. Ramtanu. And the correct option is C. And the correct option is C, that is Bhanu Simha. Number 21. Match the columns and select the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. A. Mahatma Gandhi, Abhijana Shakuntalam. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Aligarh Muslim University, Kalidas, Vishwa Bharati University, Rabindranath Tagore, Satyagraha. And the correct option is D. It is A. Mahatma Gandhi, Satyagraha, B. Syed Ahmad Khan, Aligarh Muslim University, C. Kalidasa, that is 1. Abhijana Shakuntalam, and D. Rabindranath Tagore, Vishwa Bharati University. Number 22. Which of the following options on scrambling will give the name of a social worker who was born in Skopje, Macedonia, but came to India and set up an organization named the Missionaries of Charity? Who is he, she? A. It is all scrambled words. And the correct option is number C. It's Mother Teresa. On scrambling option A, B and C and D, we get Sushruta, Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa and Tansen. Okay, so it is number C, it is Mother Teresa. Number 23. Refer to the given Venn diagram. Carnatic vocalist received Bharat Ratna Award, female, X and Y. Select the option that correctly identify X and Y and select the correct statement regarding them. A. X can be M.S. Subbulakshmi, who was born in Madurai. Y can be Mother Teresa, who also received the Magsaysay Award. X can be a person who was called Queen of Music by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and Y can be a person who received Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979. D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. X is M.S. Subbulakshmi and Y is Mother Teresa. Number 24. Read the given statement and select the option that correctly identifies true and false. Charaka was a practitioner of the traditional system of Indian medicine known as homeopathy. The play named Shakuntalam, based on the events and characters taken from the Mahabharata, was famous work of Kalidas. Number 3, it is said that when Tansen sang Rag Deepak, the lamps in the royal court would light up. 4. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan founded Aligarh University, and the correct option is D. It is number 1 is false. Charaka was a practitioner of Ayurveda. Okay? Sorry. Read the following statements about some of the social reformers of our society and select the option that correctly identifies them. He fought against Sati Pratha. He founded the Arya Samaj. She founded the Arya Mahila Samaj. He founded Scientific Society at Aligarh. There are columns A, B, C and D. And the options are A. Dayanand Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Mother Teresa, Swami Vivekananda. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati, Pandita Ramabai. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Dayanand Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Swami Vivekananda, Pandita Ramabai, Jawaharlal Nehru, and the correct option is B. It is Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati, Pandita Ramabai, and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Okay children, so we come to an end of our 6th chapter. Thank you so much. Take care, be safe, and bye.